Good morning, students. Welcome to our class Biological Science. Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the male reproductive system and the parts that present involved in it. What are the parts that present inside? Testes, seminiferous tubules, vas deferens, vas efferents, epididymis, ejaculatory duct, prostate gland, copper gland. Okay, all these things, urethra, these all are present. Dear students, we discussed the passage of sperm, passage of spermatozoa. So passage of spermatozoa, how the sperm is passing. First one is seminiferous tubules. From here to vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, and urethra. Dear students, this is the pathway the sperms passed or comes out from the body. Seminiferous tubules, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, and urethra. Dear students, we have already discussed that the testosterone male sex hormone is important for the releasing of sperms. Okay, so I will explain the structure of the sperm here. Dear students, see here the structure of the stem. The structure of the stem has mainly three parts. One is head, middle piece, tail. These are the main parts. Okay. So when come to the structure of the sperm, sperm is the male reproductive gamete produced by the man. Okay. Sperm contains head. Okay, there is a head which means a acrosome. The sperm has head which bears acrosome. This one is acrosome. Acrosome. Sperm has head which bears acrosome. Acrosome is a crown-like structure, which helps in the penetrating the ovum during the fertilization. Follow your textbooks. There is no confusion about it. Sperm. Okay, na? The sperm head contains the acrosome. It is the head of the sperm. It contains an acrosome which helps in penetrating the ovum during the fertilization. Okay, the sperm has the large nucleus. At the middle of that there is a nucleus. So this is nucleus. At the center of the head there is a large nucleus which fuses with the female nucleus. during the fertilization, which fuses with female nucleus during the fertilization. Okay, and it has the middle piece. The head and middle piece attached by the neck. Okay, the neck is there which connects the head and middle piece. What is the function of middle piece? Middle piece contains mitochondria. Mitochondria, which supply power and energy when the sperms are moving. Okay, now do you understand? When the sperms are moving, it provides energy. Okay, the head and middle piece is connected each other by the neck. The middle piece contains the mitochondria. The mitochondria provides energy during their movement. Next, the tail is there. The tail also helps in the propelling the sperm. So this is the structure of the sperm. You understand? The sperm contains a head which beings a chromosome. A chromosome helps in penetrating the ovum during the fertilization. The head contains large nucleus which fuses with the female nucleus after the fertilization. Okay, the middle piece is present. The head and middle piece is attached with each other by the neck. The middle piece contains the mitochondria. Mitochondria we all know very well. Powerhouses of the cell. So the mitochondria provides energy for the movement of this sperm. Tail is also present. The tail helps in the propeller. Propel means movement. That type of movement propels the sperm. Okay. So the secretions of prostate gland, Cowper gland, and seminal vessel. Seminal vessel is collectively called seminal plasma. What is that? Seminal plasma. Okay, the secretions of prostate gland, Cowper gland, and seminal vessel is collective called as seminal plasma. The seminal plasma, along with the sperm, is called semen. The seminal plasma along with the sperms is called semen. Okay, the secretions of prostate gland, Cowper gland, and the seminal vessel is collectively called as seminal plasma. The seminal plasma along with the sperms is called sperms. Sending out these sperms outside is called ejaculation. Sending out the sperms to the outside is called ejaculation. Normally 60% of the sperms have normal shape and size, but 40% of sperms have vigorous motility. 60% of sperms are normal size and shape, and 40% of sperms have the vigorous motility. Okay, na? So the man can produce the sperms from the age of 13 to 14 years onwards, from the age of adolescence, from the beginning of adolescence. Man can go on doing the releasing of the sperms as long as his life, but the power of releasing sperms also decreasing when he is getting older. Okay, so dear students, in the coming classes we will learn more about this reproduction. Okay, once you read all these things, okay, thank you.